Hi everyone, welcome to the first ever session of the online certificate service learning course. I'm so excited. I have so many people in the course. I think we're really going to help each other be able to develop a great service learning opportunity for our students and link it to our learning objectives. So just a little bit about the course. The syllabus is located here. You can click it for a PDF of the syllabus and it just goes through the modules that we're going to cover. If you click modules, that takes you to the entire course. So you'll see that there's 5 modules, but module 5 is optional and it has nothing in it right now because it's going to be a repository of your experiences. So I'm hoping you'll be able to add to that after you integrate your service learning project. But you'll see that we talk about what service learning is and why we're doing it, how to plan a course, how to make your students reflect over that assignment, and then integrating your plan of action. And so it's really nice. It's set up to kind of have you start and then complete the entire service learning activity for your students in your course. So if I start with course overview, you'll again see the modules and a definition of them. And I'm going to click next over here. You can go back to modules or not. In each of the modules, you'll see that there's questions to ponder, and those are just to read and get you thinking. You actually don't answer anything. Those are just kind of ideas that are going to prepare you for what we're doing in the module. Then there are going to be resources for the module. Those will be videos or PowerPoints. Jamie Spencer, who has left us, actually is narrating most of the PowerPoints. And then there's also different readings and links. You can also add to these by putting them in the discussion board if you find something that's really helpful. And then there's an activity that will apply what you learn. And so for modules 2, 3, and 4, it's actually a deliverable that I will give you specific feedback on. In module 1, you just are doing a discussion board. And then module 2 is a project proposal. And then you'll propose the idea. We have several orientation resources. There's an introduction to service learning, which is a large packet of information, and each week we'll refer to that. If you prefer to have paper, you'll want to print this off. Otherwise, save it to your desktop or bookmark it so that you can read the pages each week. This is your first discussion board. It's just a practice. Notice I ask you to reply to at least one peer by responding to something from their post. And one of the things I want to mention is people will be doing this at their own pace. And so sometimes there won't be a place for you to respond. But I'm hoping that at least we all start the same first week. So maybe we can all make it a point to do our introductions at the same time so that we can do a response to get practice in that. There's also a practice assignment for you so that you can upload something. Not upload something in this activity. You'll just answer in the message box. What questions do you have about service learning? And that helps me either develop something new in the course or post something or send out a video or just answer you if you have a question that I can just give you a quick answer to. And then we enter the modules, which I'm pretty sure you will be okay with. And then there's no due dates for these. I will try to keep you on task because I know you all want to try to finish this so you can integrate it into your classroom. And I'm super excited, and I'll see you on Monday.